Welcome to the Creation SolidWorks, that is part 18. Today we are going to design U bracket. Here is the detailed drawing of the U bracket. We have the side view, front view and top view. This detailed drawing shows that this part of U bracket using three simple features, which is extrude base, extrude cut at the hole, and using chamfer feature at the edges of the design. So analyzing this drawing, we can use the simple method to create the design. So today we are going to use the side view and we can start our drawing. First step, I'm going to click on front plane and start our new sketch over here. You can see the detail drawing at the bottom right corner. I start with the mid point line and click at the origin. I'm going to draw freely the drawing, but we need to make sure that the drawing is almost same as the detail drawing. And there we go. Before I'm going to add the dimension, I'm going to create a center line which connected to the midpoint over here and make it as vertical. Alright, and this line and this line need to be parallelly horizontal. Click on the point over here, control, and click on the point over here and add relation as horizontal. Same goes to here. Click on the point over here and click on the point over here, add relation horizontal. And this line over here and this line over need to be symmetrical to the center line. Click on this line, control hold, click on this line, control hold, click on this line and add relation as symmetry. And now we can add the dimension to the sketch. This line is 30, the height of this line is 4.5, the height of this line from the origin is 7.5, the distance for this line is 21, at the mid center point the distance is 9, but when we look at the detail drawing there's a tolerance. To add the tolerance, click on the dimension and you can see here there's a part where we can add the tolerance. At this checkbox you click and select the bilateral, so we can add the positive and negative value over here. The positive value is 0.15 mm and the negative value is 0.1. So use this and click OK. Here over the dimension also will add the tolerance. And lastly, we are going to give dimension for the height of this sketch, which is 37.5. Okay, our sketch is fully defined and good to go for future extrude base. Today we are going to use mid plane. The length of the total design is 30. Click 30. Yes. Okay. And yes, we have the basic design of the U bracket. As the next step, we are going to create a hole over here through the U bracket. We can choose this face or we can choose the right plane. Sketch, draw a center line from the origin and then create a circle point on the center line. The dimension of the hole is 50. The center point of the circle from the origin is 25.5. and yeah, the circle is fully defined. You can see it's also in a closed loop. So we can exit sketch, use the extruded cut feature, and then we are going to use through all both. The through all features, either it will choose one side only, the through all both will choose the both side and cut throughout the design. And yes, we have the hole over this U bracket, and then run isometric view, and finally we are going to add chamfer. And look carefully, we have chamfer at the base edges and the U bracket top edges. All the chamfer using C2. When you look at the fillet, you click the arrow and select the chamfer. And over here we have different kind of chamfer, and we are going to choose the first one, and then we are going to change the dimension to 2, and over here click all the dimension. Since we have all the same dimension, we can straight away click all the edges at the same time. And over here all the edges are selected and click OK. And finally our U bracket design is ready. Don't forget to share, subscribe and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Meet you all on next video.